to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Happy Tuesday, the 27th of August. Almost into September already. We don't know where we're going, just for a little ride. Supposed to get up pretty warm today, but right now it feels good. The clouds are protecting us from this hot sun. So stay tuned, keep watching, and subscribe, ring the bell, share, follow us along, let your friends know. And again, thanks for coming along. That's a pretty good view. Oh, let me go that way. We're on Dayton Road. That's, I guess, part of 839. And it's a squiggly road. Beautiful scenery. No parking, yeah, because people will crash into it. Our friendly cow. Flying high. Hey, a donkey. I don't know where we're going. We're just winging it, enjoying the day. This is Reading Run Road. I think we're in the Washington Township or something. I don't know. There's a cool road we're lucky enough to find. We found a covered bridge. We're gonna go check it out. Ooh, what? Ooh. Wah, wah. Okay, let's see what this bridge is. Apparently it's not being used anymore. Yes, we'll pull right here and we'll go check it out. It's the Trussell Bridge. We'll go get some pictures. Yeah, I'll just pause here. Builder unknown, 1870, 41 feet long. This is the oldest bridge in Indiana County. Okay. It's number PA 3203. And there it is. Get a hand here. We like finding stuff like this. And that's what replaced it. Oh, I got a pamphlet here. Okay. I think this is the same thing. We're gonna grab a pamphlet. I think that's the same thing that was on the other one I did. Yeah. Oh, she's throwing me out of the way. Huh. I see how it is. Doesn't want me in the picture. Doesn't want to ruin the picture with me in it. I got it. Oh boy, what are we gonna do? Cute.
It's been cobblestone.
No, you don't want me in the picture. I'm leaving. All right. Clearance, 11 feet. Too bad.
Yep.
Yeah, we got a plaque here. I guess it was 1990. Dedicated it. That was a cool little find. Good eyes, babe. We're on 5 Point Road, wherever the heck that is. Right near the bridge. Wow. Like I said before, we never know what we're going to find, so you got to keep watching. We found ourselves a pumpkin patch.
Both sizes.
Both sides. Huh? And what do we got here? You don't know what that is.
It's purple. Let's see. Could it be cabbage?
No.
It's like a squash.
That is no. What do you think they are? I know it's hard to see.
More pumpkin patches, though.
A little late for pumpkins.
I'm just throwing it up.
Yeah. Ew. not farmers. We don't have a garden.
Well, doesn't mean we're not farmers. We're just not gardeners.
Oh, we're not gardeners. Next year. Check out this place over here. Woo! The barn is bigger than the house.
Not really.
We're on PA 85. And I got 89 degrees on the bike. Getting warm, we're heading home to the AC. Hey, 5 points. We've been there. Wow. Nice view. Beautiful.
Smithsburg.
Yes. Very, very nice. Why do we like Pennsylvania? I have no idea. Not one clue. Beautiful. It's only a few miles from our house. We're on Salem Road in Mayport. All the cows are down at the stream. The creek, sorry. Nice view up here. The road's a little bumpy. Ah, shade. Still 89 degrees. Home sweet home. We hit 91 degrees on the bike over here. Thanks for coming along with us. We enjoyed the ride until it got very warm.
Redirect.
Okay, don't forget, subscribe, like, ring the bell, share, tell your friends. Catch you on the next one.